Welcome to CocoBella Academy. If you love all things hair extension related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started.
For our first demonstration, we will attach the I-tip hair extension using a silicone-lined micro ring. To prepare our I-tip hair extension, we will flatten the tip using the pliers to help make the connection more secure. Now we are ready, we will take our first section. The first section will be in the shape of a rectangle. Should the hair be finer, you will take the rectangle deeper, not wider. Now we have our section. Feed the natural hair through the looper tool and slide the silicone-lined micro ring onto the natural hair. Now, place the I-tip hair extension into the silicone-lined micro ring. Holding the I-tip, place the natural hair over the thumb, creating a little tension, so you can use the pliers to manipulate the micro ring in the correct position, with zero elevation. Once you are happy with the position, clamp down on the micro ring using the pliers. We will now repeat the previous steps for the second installation. Taking a rectangle-shaped section of the client's natural hair. Take your time, ensuring the section is neat and clean of any stray hairs. Feed the micro ring onto the natural hair. Gently squeezing the I-tip, then feeding into the micro ring bead. Now we will demonstrate fitting the I-tips with the copper tubes. This method is more popular and are very secure. Again, we will prepare the I-tip by flattening with our pliers. We will start by taking a rectangle section of the client's natural hair, ensuring the section is neat and clean of any stray hairs. We will feed the natural hair through the looper tool and push the copper tube onto the natural hair. Push down onto the copper tube and whilst holding the I-tip with the thumb, place the I-tip into the copper tube. Place the natural hair over the thumb, pinching the hair with a little tension to secure the hair and copper tube in place. Once happy with the position, using your pliers, clamp down on the copper tube. Now we will repeat the steps for our second installation. Taking a neat and clean rectangle section of the client's natural hair. Feeding the client's natural hair through the looper tool. Then using your thumb, place the I-tip into the copper tube, placing the natural hair over the thumb and pinching the natural hair with your fingers. Now using the pliers to manipulate the copper tube into the correct position, flat to the scalp with zero elevation, clamp down with the pliers.
For more detailed training and to obtain accreditation, all our courses can be purchased on our website, link below.